Hi guys, welcome to my channel Jarvis Universe. Today we will learn something amazing using water level sensor and LCD. This is what a water sensor looks like. It has got three terminals, positive, negative and signal. The leftmost is the signal and rightmost is the negative, and middle one is the positive pin. And those straight lines are the sensing points of the sensor. And this is how we will connect our water level sensor and LCD to the Arduino board, so that our water level is displayed on the LCD. But to make it more fun, we will add some LEDs into the circuit so that we have a visual indication of the levels. I will be assigning different levels to LED green, yellow and red. This is how our LEDs will be connected to the circuit. Green will be the lower level, yellow will be the medium and red will be the high level. So we will combine these two circuits and make our circuit work according to our needs. So let's have a look at the components we will be needing for this circuit. So we have the LCD, the Arduino board, water level sensor and three beautiful LEDs which are connected to two resistors. This is the water level sensor I will be using. This is a very simple sensor with three legs. Now let's write the code for this program. As I will be using LCD with the I2C, so we will include this wire.h library which is for the I2C devices. Then I will include the liquid crystal I2C library. All the libraries can be downloaded from the link in the description. Now we will define the coordinates of the LCD, as our LCD, the hex address is 0 into 27 and it has 16 characters and 2 lines. So we will write the following command for this. I will mention everything in the comments, and the same code you will find in the description so that it will be easier for you to understand. Now let's define all the integers. First we will define a variable for the value so that our initial value can be defined and later used in the void loop. Then we will define the signal pin which is connected to A0 analog pin of the Arduino board. I will mention the same in the comments. The sensor will be sending this signal to A0, from where we will get the value for different levels of water. Now we will define our green LED which is for low water level. Similarly we have the yellow LED and red LED. Yellow LED is for the medium level and red LED is for the high water level. These are for the sole purpose of indication, as these LEDs are connected to 2, 3 and 4 terminals of the Arduino board. So now we have defined all our variables. We can move to the setup and write the code by defining our outputs and inputs. First and foremost, we will initiate the LCD by writing lcd.begin. Then we will initiate the backlight of the LCD. Then we will write the command which we want to print on our LCD, which will be water level, because we want our water level to be defined. So we will write LCD print water level. This message will be printed on our LCD initially. Now we will define the same variables as input and output. So our LEDs are output. so we will define them as output in the void setup. So first in the void loop we will give a set cursor command, so we can define where this code will be written. That will be column 0 and line 1. Now after writing this, we will define our value, which we have already defined as variable on the top. That variable will be taking a value from the analog pin, which is connected to the sensing pin of the water level sensor. So I will mention in the comments, read data from analog pin and store it as value. Initially it is 0. So now we will define various levels of the water which will be sensed by our water level sensor using if command. So if water level is less than or equal to 100, then our LCD will show that tank is empty and green LED will be high, that is green LED will glow. So we have written command for green LED high and other two LEDs as low. So this can be used in various applications, like if you want to run a motor or some equipment when water level is high or low. So depending on the water level, these things will work and this indication will grow accordingly. Similarly, we have the code for medium water level. That is if water level is more than 100 and less than equal to 250, then our LCD will show the level is medium and green LED, yellow LED will glow. So we will write green LED as low and yellow LED as high for the medium level. So and red LED will be low, that is LED will be turned off. So I will take the extra command out. I must have copied it more than 2 times. So similarly, now you can see the last command will be for the high, and we will write else if command for the high level. If value is more than 330, then it will show high on the LCD screen, and that means red LED will glow and all the other 2 LEDs will be off. So we will write all other 2 LEDs as low and red LED will be high. We will provide some delay. It's better to define delay than writing some random number, because when a person reads a program, the random numbers are confusing, so it's better to define everything. So we will define our 1 second as dt. So now we have written the code for what we need our sensor to do. Now we will verify the program. Once our program is verified, we can upload the program to the Arduino board. So now we have written the code. Let's move to the circuit and make our connections. So I have kept negative of the LEDs as common, and positive will be connected to the Arduino board through protective resistors. This is the LCD I will be using. It has an IDE equipped and it has 4 terminals: ground, VCC, SDA and SCL. So this can be directly connected to our Arduino board using SDA and SCL serial interface terminals. So now I have hooked my LCD to the Arduino board and it will take power from the breadboard power rail, and I have connected my LEDs to pin 2, 3 and 4 of the Arduino board as we have mentioned in the code. Now I will connect the water level sensor. So we will give power from the breadboard and signal will go to the pin A0 analog 0 of the Arduino. So here we have the complete circuit I have connected according to the circuit diagram. Initially water level is low as there is nothing, so the green LED will glow, you can see. Now I will go ahead and dip the sensor inside this water glass, and here it goes. Medium water level, yellow LED will glow. Further down you can see red LED will glow and it will say hi. Now I am taking it out slowly. Medium water level and then the low water level. So you can see how LCD is showing different water levels that we have defined in the code, and accordingly the LEDs are glowing. So this is how this circuit works. You can display the water level using water level sensor and Arduino board on the display and use indication lamps. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please like, subscribe and share if you like this video. I will see you in the next lesson. Adios.